So, I didn't find the stuff here. I think I didn't separate all the edges properly. So, I have some missing, I think one, two, three missing edges. And yeah, but anyways, I'm still going to try and find it later after I finish some of the pieces. Okay, so this will be the hardest part with all the blue colors. So let's good luck to me. And that is where we're going to put it. We still have some few pieces that are not complete, but yeah, that's the part. All right, so the next thing is that we're going to talk about the hardest and the easiest part of this puzzle. So I'm going to start with the easiest. So the easiest part of this puzzle is this part, maybe because of the color, and it's so easy to like find them rather than yeah. So that's my thought. And then also this part is also easy. It took me only 10 minutes to finish this one. So the hardest part, okay, so the hardest part is this area. Of course, it's the blue one, the sky, because there's only one color on it. So it's hard to like find which one belongs to each other. Also, I wouldn't say that this building is these buildings here is hard, maybe because of the guide. So there we have here the guide, so it's easy for me to like find them. So all in all, this puzzle took me 2 hours. That's the first 2 hours for this puzzle. Normally I would finish a 300 pieces of puzzle about 3 hours. 3 hours for the past puzzles, jigsaw puzzles that I've done, but this one is easier. Actually, it's so easy, and yeah, I would say it's so easy, except for this part, of course. All right, guys, so see you on my next jigsaw puzzle. Bye. So my next puzzle, guys, is this Victorian interlude. It's 550 pieces, and yeah, it's normally I would do the postcard, but this time it's Nikki Bomi. I don't know if tran I read that, or yeah, I read that one correctly. And then the pieces are smaller than the 300 pieces. So wish me luck.